only. My screen is audible. My screen is visible for everyone. Voice is okay. Still people have not yet joined. 11 members are still 4-5 members remaining. Okay. So in questions till now, guys, we have covered around 4 or 5 topics. Any question regarding psychology, global market, heavyweight stocks? Yes, someone have asked me, Nihal have asked me how we can check top 10 stocks. I'll tell you. It's a simple. Go in Google, Nifty 50 stocks weightage. See NSC website, download it. You get top 10 weightage stocks. Done. Nihal, understood? This is yes. Same bank nifty, you can do it. Top 10 bank nifty stocks, you will get all bank nifty stocks. Okay. So everyone download this concept application. This concept of this one. Yeah. Yes. Okay. It's 133. Still people have not. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. Again, then we start. See, concept application. Why we are using concept application? I will tell you why. Because in concept application, you must have seen this future builder, right? Future builder option. We are just using this option. Future builder and option chain. That's it. Future builder. Why we are using future builder? Because of this. So we know which stock or index having change in Y, or you can say how much open interest is there, right? In future builder, we'll see in future builder this. We'll see the open interest of index, Nifty, Bank Nifty, or you can say any stock, right? For buying or selling. Okay. So let's start, guys. We'll wait. We are already waiting for 5 minutes. Still 2-3 members are remaining, but let's start. Okay. So everyone install this concept application. So now first I'll tell you what is future. Future, right? When we buy futures, right? Future buy or sell, you can short future, right? Index or any stock, right? Now first we'll see the theoretical part. Theoretical part is when price is positive. Now be concentrate. Okay. You can write down this thing, or else I will give you the Excel sheet. Okay. When price is positive, example SBI Bank. SBI Bank is up by 1% or 2%, whatever. When SBI Bank is positive, okay, and open interest is also positive. Open interest is also positive. How we can check open interest? I will tell you later. But first, listen theoretical part. Okay, when price is positive and open interest is also showing positive, that is mean what is the inference then? The stock is bullish or the index is bullish. If Nifty is positive and open interest is also positive, right? That means the stock or index will bullish. In technical term, what we say, it's a long build-up, right? It's a long build-up. People have taken the stock or index for long, right? They have taken future for long. They are expecting the stock or future will go upside. Okay. When positive stock is positive, open interest is also positive. That means bullish. Now, second, if stock is negative, if SBI is negative, okay, and open interest is also negative, okay, open interest is also negative. That means the stock is bearish, right? If I have already taken SBI, now I'm selling. I have bought around 300 rupees. Now the price is 310. I'm booking my profit, right? So the stock will go down, right? Open interest is also gone from positive to negative now. That means the inference is bearish. Means what I'm doing, I'm booking profit, or we can say long unwinding. Means I have already taken long. Now I'm unwinding my position. Means booking my profit. Understood? I have already taken long. Now I'm booking my profits. Means long unwinding. Third, if stock is negative, if Reliance SBI is negative 1% or 2%, example, and open interest showing positive signal. See, I have bold these two, right? Why I am saying, whenever we see the positive open interest and stock is negative, open interest is positive, that means the sign is bearish. People are taking short position. People are taking short position. Means what is their view? Their view is completely bearish. The stock will go again downside. That's why they are taking short position, right? That's why they are taking short position in SBI or index, any index. Okay. Now next, if price is positive now, if price is positive and open interest is negative, and open interest is negative, that means a bullish sign. How? I'll tell you how. If I have already taken short position in SBI, I have taken 300 rupees. On 300 rupees, I have shorted future, right? I have taken future short call. Now SBI rate is 290 rupees. So what I have to do? I have to book my profit. Means I have to buy this my short position, right? That means short covering, right? We use the word sometimes short covering is possible. My means whoever have already taken short position, now they have to buy this position. Understood? That means the sign is bullish. Understood, everyone? If I have already taken negative position, short position, now I'm taking my booking my profit, means I'm short whatever short I have, I'm covering this, right? That means short covering. Simple thing. Positive price, positive OI, bullish, long build-up. Negative price, negative OI, bearish, profit booking. Simple thing. Negative in price and positive in OI. OI should be always positive when you are taking short and long. Whenever you are taking any long position, OI should be always positive. Whenever you are taking short position, OI should be always positive. Right? Now I'll give one example. Okay. Let me show you now. This is, you must have seen this on first screen. Go in future buildup. You must have seen this, right? In future buildup, now you are looking this sign, right? LU means what? Long unwinding, right? What is Nifty now? Nifty is price is negative, OI is negative. Price is negative and OI is negative. Long unwinding, right? Price is negative, OI is negative. What is the sign? Bearish sign. Yesterday was bearish sign. That means LU. Long unwinding or profit booking. Understood? Bank Nifty. Price is negative. Open interest is also negative. What is mean? Long unwinding LU. Price is negative. OI is also negative. Long unwinding. Now let's see positive. Positive in price, positive in OI. Inference is bullish. Long build. See, Berger Paint. Yesterday, Berger Paint up by 8%. I don't know why, but 8% up. Maybe Q4 result. I don't know, but Q4 result, right? 8% upside. See the Y, 32%, 32.42%. Means out of 100%, 32% trader have holding Berger Paint future lot. Everyone understood? VGuard. VGuard price is 2% positive. 29.53% OI increases. Means VGuard position have taken in future. 29% of trader have taken long. Still they are holding position in VGuard. Which position? Future position. These all are future positions, right? This data is completely future. No spot, no options and nothing else. Only future data. Because it's a future buildup. Okay. Everyone understanding, right? If you have any questions, please ask, right? Because this concept should be clear. This concept should be clear. What is long buildup? What is long unwinding? What is short? What is short covering? Now one question comes. Sir, is this data of future buildup available intraday also? Of course. See, in concept, every time you will get a data, but it's a 10 minute, we can say, we are getting late data, right? You have to refresh every 5-10 minutes. You have to refresh if you are doing in any stock, or 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time you comfortable, you can refresh it and see the OI data. Understood? How to take position for BTST or STBT, I'll tell you. Okay, but everyone understood long build up, when to take long position. I'll explain you when to take long position and when to take short position. Okay, now this Whenever you're taking any BTST or STBT, right? Whenever you plan for a stock to buy BTST or STBT, you have to take position after 315 or 320. Please understand why I'm saying this. You have to take BTST or STBT only after 320. What should be the fair percentage to buy this stock? I'll explain you. Whenever you are taking any BTST or STBT, everyone know what BTST and STBT: buy today, sell tomorrow, and sell today and buy tomorrow. This is all in futures. You cannot sell today and buy tomorrow in equity, right? You can buy today and sell tomorrow in cash, right? In cash market, you cannot sell today and buy tomorrow. Okay, you have to sell in futures. Okay. So now, whenever you are taking any BTST and STBT, you have to take position after 320. Why? The reason is intraday players will out of market after 3 to max 320, right? Because any broker you are using, they are not giving you authority to hold your future position after 320. If you're taking cover order, if you're taking MIS order or bracket order, your order will be automatically executed after 315 or 320 max. But after 320, why I'm saying, because after 320 the OI change will be completely fair. We understand that OI will not be changed now. Why? Because intraday players already gone from market, right? I personally say that buy BTST and STBT after 325 to 327 or 28 max. Okay, 325 to 327 or 328 within 3 minutes. But you have to compulsory refresh the data because OI should be fair enough. And what will be OI percentage? What will be price percentage? I'll explain. Okay, but everyone now understood. Till now, everyone understood future concept. How did you come to this page of this app? This future. See, this is the first screen, right? Ma'am, this is first screen. Go in future buildup. In future buildup, you will see this. This is long. You must have seen long, short covering, uh, and long unwinding, right? These four options are there. Okay, and these are top 10 companies. You can see all here. If you are placed here, you will see all. Then you will see all the long positions in future stocks. 197 stock is there. You will see all the 197 stock. See now, here you will see L, LU, S and SC. What is L? L is long. LU means long unwinding. S means short and SC means short covering. Right? L means long, LU means long unwinding, S means short and SC means short covering. Okay. Yesterday, see how many stock are there. Almost 197 stock. Out of 197 future stock, 37 stock is in longs, right? If you click here and put all here, you will see 37 stocks. These are top 10 stock, but if you click here and press all, you will see 37 stocks. If you go in LU, you will see 55 stocks. Long unwinding, those who have taken long position, yesterday 55 future stocks have long unwinded, right? I'm explaining, just wait, right? Percentage, everything I'll explain. S means short. How many short position taken yesterday? 79 stock showing short build-up. Means 79 stock are in short side. If you go in here and put S, and put short, we will see 79 stocks. Let me show you. But I don't have the access. So I'm just taking screenshot and posting one of our member. See, this. See, in short, Infibeam have 12% of OI. Yesterday's stock fall around 9.74%. ITC in a short position. See, 11% of traders have taken short position in ITC future, right? These all are in future rate. NCC 9.32%, right? 16.99% downside yesterday, right? Webco, Home Day, Airways, Torrent, Apollo Tires, right? These all 79 stock is in short, right? SC means short covering, 25 stock in short covering. Is this data real time in the application during the market or 10 minutes later, ma'am? These all data you will see 10 minutes late. No one will give you real-time data in the industry. Only FIDS have real-time data. We all have 10 minutes late data. Don't, no problem. Why I'm saying no problem? If you're taking example VGuard for BTST around 327 and you're looking out 29%, right? 29% is big percentage, right? After market, if we are getting late data and we will see 15%, no worry, 15% is also good, right? Because no one will give you real-time data, right, in the market. If you're taking any subscription from any example concept, they are also charging. This is free data, right? If you are getting real data as well, still you are getting 5 minutes late data. But for 5 minutes, they are charging 20,000, 30,000, or 5,000, whatever they're charging there, right? Don't need to charge them, right? If 5 minutes late data, don't, no problem, right? If you are taking VGuard for long and you're seeing 29% around 328, take a buy call for BTST, right? Take a buy call after market, or if you refresh here and you will see 20% or 18% or 15%, still 15% is a good number, right? What is unwinding? My goodness. Let me explain once again. Unwinding means profit booking. Vijay sir, unwinding means profit booking. If you have already taken example Nifty, if you have bought Nifty around 11,900 and now Nifty is 12,000 rupees, example, you have taken long future, right? Now you have to book profit. Means what you are doing, you are booking profit, right? You are booking 100 rupees profit. You have made 7,500 rupees. Means what? You are long unwinding. Unwind means exiting your position. Means exit. You are exiting, right? You are exiting your position. That means long unwinding. Understood? Unwinding means what? Now you understood what is meant by opposite of short covering. You can say opposite of, but short. See, short covering means if you are taking short, if you already taken short call, now what are you doing? You are short covering. Means you are buying. Unwind your position, right? Right. Unwind means selling. Long unwinding means selling. Short covering means buying. Short covering means buying, long unwinding means selling. Okay. So, sir, what is the optimum OI percent change for make taking? I'm explaining. Just wait. Just wait. Just long unwinding is shorting. Vijay sir, you understood, right? Can we see option contract OI? You can see in option chain. Option chain yet to be covered. Okay. Now everyone understood unwinding, long build up, short covering. Everyone understood. Does everyone understood? Please. Yes, everyone. I want answer from everyone that you have clearly understand what is long build up, long unwinding, short covering, right? How we can check? We can check here. LU means long unwinding. See, L means long 37 stock yesterday long. LU means long unwinding 55 stocks. S means short 79 stocks. SC means short covering 25 stocks. Okay. So from looking out this data, what you will understand? What you think? What will be Monday's market? Understood, sir. Understood. Okay. Let okay. Okay. One question for everyone. From looking out this data, what do you think? I'm just asking about index now. What will be Monday's opening? What will be Monday's opening? Tell me, everyone. Long 32 stock, long unwinding 55 stock, short 79 stock, short covering 25 stock. Tell me, everyone. Right answer, Jogesh. Sunny, right answer. Right answer. Near right answer. Mahesh, right answer. Why right answer? Deepak Patel, why right answer? Amit, Amit are the right answer. Bearish, right? It's a bearish sign now, right? Swapnil Kadam. Long unwinding means person who bought the stock are selling. That stock are short covering. And short covering means people who have short position are now selling the position, are now buying the position, not selling position, right? Means they are exiting position. Okay, right. So everyone right now, looking out this data, markets looks like bearish, right? Not only this data, we have to look other perspective as well. Now you tell me, global market is negative, right? Look, 354, 1.5% almost. Dow was down, Nasdaq was down, UK market also down, future saying down, right? Where is future? Future saying down, right? Too many long unwinding. See 79 short, right? So looking at two perspectives, now we say that market is bearish, right? Now still we have to look at other two perspectives. Which perspectives? Option chain, then technical setup, right? Okay. Now this future is clear. Okay. Let's see top 10 stock. What top 10 stock yesterday have done? Zerodha is doing. We cannot do today. We cannot see actual data now. We see, I think after 6 o'clock. It's dummy trading going on. See, Bank Nifty 17, Nifty 6.600 point positive. It's a dummy data, right? Right. Okay. So let's start. Mm, let's start. No, 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 no. We still have pending, right? We still have to show you how we can open interest. Open interest is remaining. Mahesh, right? Mahesh, I'm going, right? Open interest means for yes, I'm explaining. Wait. Now, whenever you are taking any BTST or STBT, whenever you are taking any BTST or STBT, right? Whenever you are taking any BTST or STBT, what is the percent of price should be there and open interest should be there, right? If you want to take any stock for BTST or STBT, right? What's your expectation from the stock first? If you're taking BTST example, if you want to buy example Berger paint, now Berger paint is around 328. Okay, if you want to buy the stocks 328, what is your maximum expectation tomorrow morning opening? Because BTST means you are taking around 328 and selling around 915 to 917 max, right? BTST and STBT means that tomorrow opening your profit 1 to 5% max. 1 to 5%. Okay. What about others? How much your expectation? Example, Berger paint. What is the lot size of Berger paint? Can someone please tell me quickly? What is the lot size of Berger paint? Oh, Berger paint lot size. Radhika, 10%. 10% is your expectation, ma'am. For BTST, 10%. We never get 10%. Okay. Jogesh 1%, Sanjay 2%. Depending on the lot size. I can understand. If, example, Reliance, example, you have taken SBI 300 stock and the lot size is 3000. What is your expectation tomorrow? The different lot size is 2200, right? Lot size is 2200. Okay. Now 0.5 to 1% in SBI. Why 0.5? Example, now you are taking Maruti. Example, Maruti lot size is 75, right? What is your expectation from Maruti tomorrow? Maruti lot size is 75. See, I'm asking this question because I want to clear your psychology. If you want to be consistent, profitable, your psychology should be smart enough. Your psychology should be too smart, right? Now you are saying 0.5 to 1% for SBI. Before you told that 10%, right? Now, if I'm asking you, if you want to buy Maruti, example Maruti OI 32% and Maruti lot size is 75, right? So what is your expectation from Maruti tomorrow? How much percent of return Maruti should give you tomorrow morning? Opening. Tomorrow opening only. Maruti lot size is just 75, right? And Maruti stock price is around 7,000 example. Right? Currently 7,000, right? So how much percent of expectation you want from Maruti tomorrow? If you want just BTST or STVT. Lot of people say that 1%, 0.5 to 1%, 2%, 3%, right? 2 to 4%, Jogesh. 10% Nihal Raikar. Why 10%? 10%? What is how much 10% is? 7,000 stock price into 10% divided by 100 means tomorrow opening should be 700 rupees. Hmm? If OI is good, I can understand. If OI is good, but still you want 700 point gap of opening from Maruti tomorrow. You cannot get this much of return for BTS and STBT, right? Hope you understand, right? So my point of view is if open interest is good, see, if open interest is good and stock is also in a range, right? Now see, Berger Paint already moved 8.76% today, means all around 9%. So do you really think that this stock is good for tomorrow? How many people think that Berger Paint is good for BTST? Now example today, I want to buy this stock for tomorrow. Now the timing is 3:25. Tell me guys, I have to buy this stock. Open interest is good. Stock is already 9% up. Tell me how many people you think that this stock is good for BTST. OI is supreme, 32%. No, no, not good for BTST. I don't think it good because I have already given big no, not to buy. No, no. Okay. Why no? Because the stock he has already given 9% today. So do you really expect this stock will give more return tomorrow? Right? This is not a small stock, it's a big company, Berger Paint, right? And stock already given 9% of return today. Hope I can understand stock will go open positive, no problem. Because OI is also good. Stock definitely open positive or flat, right? But half percent or 0.3%, half percent or max to max 1%. We cannot say that, right? We cannot expect the big move tomorrow because already 9% have given tomorrow, right? So we have to pick this stock which is below 4%. Write down in your note. If you want to buy BTST or STBT, your stock should be below 4%. BPCL is good for BTST. No, BPCL is good. I can say good, but stock has given only 0.22%, below 4% and above 0.5%, 0.5 to 4%. If stock is between 0.5 to max 4%, max I'm saying max, right? And OI, see OI should be minimum 5%. OI should be minimum 5%. We cannot buy Sri Cement because OI is below 5%. Got it? OI should be above 5% only, and stock should be below 4% and above 0.5%. Understood, everyone? Why we are doing this? I'll tell you why. If stock is positive and OI is positive, inference is bullish, but stock should be minimum 0.5 to max 4% positive, and OI should be minimum 5%, right? OI should be minimum 5%. Why we are doing this? Because stock, if suppose you are buying burger paint, the stock already given 8-9% more today. So how much we can expect from the stock, right? Please repeat OI concept again. Okay, I'll explain you OI. Whenever the OI is high, that means people have taken long position for any stock, any stock. Now Berger Paint OI 32%, Ujjain 21%, Coal India 17%, right? Means out of 100%, 20%, 21%, 29% people have taken long, means holding the position in these stocks, right? OI means out of 100 trader, right? Out of 100 trader, 29% of trader have taken long position in Vigard, right? That means their view is positive, still positive. Means they think that the stock will again go upside, right? Understood? Who asked me the question? Understood OI concept, right? OI means whoever taken, see in long, whoever taken the long position, they are holding the long. Same in negative. Example ITC. ITC someone has 11.42% people are still holding short position. Short position means they still feel that ITC will go down. Understood? Bhandavar, Vijay Bhandavar, understood? Short means still people think that now Apollo Tire 11.63% trader feel that Apollo Tire still go down 193 the rate, still they feel that the stock will go down. Okay, understood? Got it. Now, but you have to pick the stock which is at least 0.5% up to max 4%. We cannot go with Ujjain. Why? Stock already given 6%. We can think about, see, OI is stock is flat, but OI is high. Yesterday was the yesterday was not a good day, but still OI is nice. But how much percent at least stock should have? 0.5% to 4%. VGuard is the best stock. Looking at this data, VGuard looks good. Cummins India look good. Sriram Transport Finance look good. Hindapetro look good. Havels look good, right? So these all stock look good. But now you understood the concept what I want to explain you from this future window. More OI is good to trade, right? Is the maximum limit we have to consider? No. Whenever minimum should be 5%. If maximum 80% is there, that means you completely have to buy the stock, right? But minimum should be 5%. Minimum OI should be 5%, right? If 85%, 80%, 60% OI is there, then blindly buy the stock, blindly. But price should be on our radar. Means minimum 0.5 to max 5%. If we are 2% up and OI is 70%, example, then blindly buy vigor, right? Blindly buy because 60% traders still feel that tomorrow the stock will fly. Means opening should be minimum 1%. See, BTST and STVD, how much you should expect. Now, if I'm taking Berger Paint example, Berger Paint lot size is 2200, right? 2200, right? What is the stock price? 328. 328. How much? 1% is 328. 3.28 into 2200. If 1%, you will get 7,000 rupees. Now, someone told me that I'm expecting 10%. What is the 10%? Into 10, 72,000 rupees. No one will give you 72,000 in BTS activity. Only God will give you, right? If any news come, then only you can get. But whenever you are taking any future position, please keep in mind that there should not be any news in this stock. Otherwise, you will face a big loss in this stock. You must have seen SBI, DHFL, right? Your all money gone, right? If stocks open 20% low, example 328 the stock price, Berger Paint, right? Stock open 20% low means 65 rupees into 2200, 1,44,000 gone, right? For one lot, how much capital required? Around 1.5 lakhs. So you have remaining only 6,000 rupees. Understood? Or else your broker will come to your home and ask for money. So understand this concept. If you are buying any stock for BTS and STPT, there should not be any news or any you can say Q4 result and all the things. Now result is coming, right? So that's why I'm telling. No, don't ever take any trade if there is any news, any results are there, any policies are there, right? If stock is affecting from this news, then never ever trade on this stock. Better not to trade. Or else don't ask me. You have told me that OI is good and stock is good, but in in uh, in a night, if Burger Paint CEO have resigned, example, and or if some bad news come in Burger Paint or Vigard and stock open 10% down, don't ask me why you have given, right? Data was showing good, but we don't know about news, right? We don't know about news. So for news, we are looking money control application. Understood? Okay, no one more question. Sir, one future BTS is how much capital required? It depend on broker to broker, right? Usually for one lot, if you are taking Nifty future, I think 85,000 or 90. Example, 1 lakh required, right? For any stock depend on the stock now, right? But usually 1.5, 1.3, 1.2, 1.4 like this, right? Max to max 1.5. Okay. Is your If you remember, you give my example. I shot ICICI Bank at 393 as distributed, and that net CLSA give buy rating ICICI Bank. Right, right. Straight 25,000 loss at the opening. Wait for 10 days and close in no loss. It happens, sir. See, it happened. I know in 6 in a night, CLSA have given buy call, buy rating given on the ICICI Bank, and one of our members have shorted ICICI Bank at 393, and ICICI Bank open around 405, 25,000 loss at the opening only. But he have waited for 10 days and he closed the position in no loss, right? It happens. It happens. That's why you have to see. I personally feel that don't if you have risk-taking capacity. Personally, I'm telling you, if you have risk-taking capacity, then only trade in futures. Otherwise, do futures only and only for intraday. Because any news come, you can quickly go out, right? But if you buy VGuard today and in night, if any new bad news come in VGuard, tomorrow VGuard open 10% down, 15% down, 20%. DHFL you must have seen 50% down. Yes Bank you must have seen I think 25, 27% gap down opening, right? These things happen. If you have bought this future, you maybe lost everything whatever you have. So personal opinion, if you have that much of capacity, then only trade in futures. Or else best way to do future BTS and activity, Nifty, Bank Nifty. Whatever the result will come, Nifty doesn't open 2%, 3%, 5, max to max 3%. What is 3% of Nifty? How much? 3%. 11,900. 11,900, 3%. 357 into 75. Your maximum loss is max 26,000. You can affordable, right? It can be affordable, right? Okay, so better to do BTS and activity trading only and only in index. That's why I prefer index future and index trading, right? I never give any future BTST, future buy call or future sell call. Or if you have guts, better way you can do it in options, right? Options you can buy put, you can buy call, but when to buy options, which strike price, everything I will see tomorrow. Okay, options everything tomorrow because option is too vast. Okay, now everyone understood futures concept, future build up, what is long, what is short closing, long unwinding, everyone, right? Nifty option is also best. Nifty options is best. I can say best, but if tomorrow flat opening is there, then if tomorrow Nifty open flat, then what happens? You lose your option premium. You lose your option premium, right? Because yes, because you don't have that much of time. Time and intrinsic value is the most important. I'll explain everything in options. Don't ask me option questions right now. In running market, also we have to apply same price and OI percentage. Yes, no. Good question, Jogesh. Very nice question. Now, if you want to, please listen everyone carefully. Now, if you want intraday stock, right? If you want intraday stock and if you want to play for 1 rupee or 5 rupee, 1% or 2% or max to max 2%, right? Max to max 1%. 1% is also good, right? But which stock we have to buy? Don't think about percentage. But again I'm saying don't buy more than 2% of stock for intraday. If stock is around 0. BPCL 0.22%, but OI is around 32%, example 32, 33, and OI is increasing slowly. Stock is also flying 0.5%, 0.7%. Quickly buy the stock. Why? Because on intraday the stock will do a good return. If you are getting only 2-3 rupees and the lot size is 2200 or 200 example, and you get 3 rupees, means you get 6,000 rupees, right? So you can do these things. Understood? And which technical we are using, I'll explain you when will technical will go, right? Tomorrow, right? If you selected VGuard or BPCL for intraday, on chart how we can select the stock. If chart is not saying that to buy, if chart also saying that this is the right time to buy, you can quickly buy the stock. BPCL O is also good, and chart again saying there is good support there, you can buy small stop loss, right? Again, I'll tell you technical thing tomorrow, but the question is nice. If you want to buy a stock for intraday, stock should not be more than 2%, right now. If you want to buy a stock for intraday, if you want to buy a stock for intraday, I'm not talking about index. I'm just talking about stocks. Stock should be minimum, a maximum 2%, maximum 2%, right? And OI should be at least again 5%. OI should be minimum 5%. Understood, everyone? Open interest concept is the most important thing for futures and options. Still, anyone having any small doubt, anything, please ask right now, because concept should be completely clear. Otherwise, if you have any doubts, again you are asking, or you may get trouble in future, right? Right. So concept should be all clear. You can ask any doubt right now regarding open interest, whatever we have learned till now. Please ask any questions. Okay. Questions come good. Uh, OI changes during the day like 5%. OI can come down to 3%. This means intraday I'm asking. I'm not getting them. OI change during the day like 5%. OI come down to 3%. This is for intraday I'm asking. See, okay. Now the OI is 5%. When you buy, example, BPC you bought. Of course, you can refresh here. You can refresh here and you can see the OI of your stock. If you don't find your stock here, go here and put all. Okay. Go here and put all. You can see your stock name somewhere around, somewhere below this. Okay. If you bought BPCL around 8%, but when you refreshed again after 10 minutes, OI is around 5%. That means what? The question is same, right, ma'am? Yes, okay. So that means if you bought a stock when OI is good, but when you refresh, OI is less. Don't worry about this thing because this data is 10 minutes late. On chart, if stock is going down and stock has shown downside signal, quickly book the profit or book your small loss on chart. How we can see chart, I'll explain you tomorrow. But OI is decreasing. See this data, intraday data, if you refreshed, this data is 10 minutes late. No one will give you accurate data or real-time data, right? Understood? Okay. If wait. Too many questions coming. Just wait. For equity, we see this data only. For equity, equity, which equity? Uh, Amal, Roy, for equity only. Equity stock. It's all about future option stocks. This you will get. See, out of 197, you will get only future option stock, equity stock. Yes, this is for intraday. I'm asking. Yes, sir. This is for intraday. Jogesh. If index is showing bearish, should we consider the long stock? Of course not. Good question again, Jogesh. If market is down, if market is down, never take buy calls. If market going down, never take long calls. I'm saying long calls, right? Plan to take only short calls. If market is positive, plan to take only long calls. Good question. Okay, understood everyone. Amit Khanapuri. Please, price should not be more than 2% and OI minimum 5%. Is that correct? And future stock or intraday? Yes, it's correct. Price should not be more than 2% and OI should be minimum 5% for intraday. I'm saying for intraday. This is for intraday. If you're taking any stock for intraday, minimum OI should be again 5%, but price should not be more than 2%. Price should be minimum 2%, right? Because already stock have given 2% return. How much? How can you expect the stock will again go 5%, 10%, right? So price should be below 2%. Okay. Sanjay Bhattacharya. For intraday selection, is it better if the OI steadily increases? Of course, of course. Again, a good question. If OI is continuously, slowly increasing, that means people have, people faith is automatically increasing, right? Maximum people faith is increasing. They are holding position. There more people are coming in the stock, right? Why they are coming? Because they know that price is increasing. Understood? Slowly, if OI is increasing, that means people having faith on the stock. Too many traders coming in the stock. That's why OI is increasing. Okay. Uh, if index is showing bearish, if index is showing bearish, should we consider the long stock? If index is showing bearish, should we consider the long stock for BTST? No, no, right? Jogesh, again I'm saying if indices is now, you guys only tell me if market is showing downside signal, market showing tomorrow also we are opening Nifty showing tomorrow downside opening, right? Nifty showing, futures saying, open interest showing, option chain again showing that Nifty will go downside. Never take long position for BTSC. Take STBT because at least you will get some amount of money. If market goes down, automatically the stock will go down, and you will get good amount of money in short side, right? If you're taking long side, still you may earn less money, but you may lose good money, right? If market open 100 point here, next example, Nifty open 100 point or 50 point downside. If OI is good, Berger Paint or Regard OI is good, still stock is open flat, no issue, but you are not earning good money, right? Stock open flat, market open 100 point down, the stock open flat. Why? Because too many OI is there, right? But better you can buy example ITC. Market open 100 point down, ITC open 2-3% down. You will get good money, right? Money control data is how late? Money control data is I think 5 minutes late. 2 3 minutes minimum two. See, you will not get a perfect data. Only you will get a perfect data on your terminal only. But money control data is again 5 minutes, 3 4 minutes late. Okay. So in such trend, BTST or STBT is not good, right? In such trend, which trend, Nihal? So in such trend, BTST or STBT is not good. Such trend means which kind of trend? Like down. Better to do STBT, right? Better to do STBT. If market going downside, if you know that Nifty showing downside signal or open interest showing downside signal, option chain also showing bearish signal, right? Then better to do STBT. Don't take BTST. Okay. Find short side stocks, right? And which OI is getting increased. Okay. Now everyone got it. Everyone understood. Good. Too many questions. Good. Now, uh, 4:30. So, mm, uh, small. Everyone knows. Still, I'll explain small concept of candlesticks because you should know this concept. It's required. Okay. I know maximum people know this, but still. So every candle has some meaning. You know this, right? Every candle have some meaning. Example, now Nifty. Every candle have some meaning, right? So this candle have some meaning, this candle have some meaning, right? Every now ITC. Let's see ITC. Every candle have some meaning. So this candle have some meaning, this candle has some meaning, right? Every candle has some meaning. So what is candle meaning, right? Or you can say candle definition, right? What is candle? So this is bullish candle, right? Green bullish candle, right? High is this, low is this. Green candle open is this, right? And close is here. This is bearish candle. High and open, high and low is same, right? This is high and this is low, but bearish candle have red candle have open is here and close is here. Here open is here and close is here, right? This is normal candle. It's an actual body and this is shadow. And stock is go upside and this is downside, but again open here and close here, right? This is green candle, right? Normal. But this is shadow, lower shadow, upper shadow, and real body. Okay. This is normal bullish candle. This is normal green bullish candle. This is normal bearish candle, trade candle. Okay, this is large body, right? This is large body. This day market is too big, right? Movement is big. Small body means flattish market, right? Today's range was big. On election day, we have seen big range. So this is wide range. We can say wide range, narrow range. Flattish day will see narrow range. Okay. Whenever you see this kind of candle, only upper shadow is there. That means selling from above. No, if you don't see any shadow lower side, that means selling pressure from above. Whenever you see this kind of candle where no, you can see shadow on the downside, that means selling pressure from above. Vice versa, if you don't see Shadow on upper side means buying comes from lower. It's a buying signal, it's a selling signal. Right? Now, we'll see 4 or 5 pattern which I'm using. I'll share you this PDF to your personal ID. But just look, it's required for a, you can see positional trader, or you understand what is the concept of candle. Okay, so this is doji, right? 99% you will see this kind of doji, and very few 1% time you will see this kind of doji, right? This is called gravestone doji, and this is a dragonfly doji, right? What is meaning by doji? Doji is not, we can say it's a bullish or bearish signal. We cannot predict that market will go upside or downside, because we say that lot of time there is a fighting going. What is fighting means? Upper side also people selling, from downside people buying, means no confirmed trend, means doji. Okay, anything can happen after this doji, either market go upside or downside. That is called doji, no confirmation. Okay, see, doji comes, market from below, market goes upside, and the doji come, again market come down, right? So anything can happen after doji, right? Now first we'll see the bearish pattern. Bearish, what is the bearish pattern? Mark means selling pressure. How we can understand? From candlestick pattern, we may see downside signal. How we can see? Whenever you see shooting star, see this is shooting star. It's a bearish reversal pattern, right? Shooting star always made on top. Shooting star always made on top. Market go up, and you will see this kind of candle, right? This is called shooting star. That means market may go down now, right? It can be bullish, it can be red or green. Candle should not be red only, it can be green also, no issue. But whenever you see this kind of shooting star on a daily pattern, daily chart, I'm not talking about 15-minute candle or 1 hour candle, right? I'm talking about daily candle, right? One day candle, right? Daily candle, not 15 minute or 30 minute or 1 hour. You have to see on daily candle only. Okay. See, market go upside, shooting star. See, shooting star, market again goes down, right? But whenever you see shooting star, how we can predict that market will go down? Whenever shooting star low break, take a short call. Take a short call with the stop loss of shooting star high and hold. Okay, time frame for candle view, which one is best, and we get the accurate signal is 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes for intraday, which is which one for positional. I'll explain you tomorrow. Don't worry. So these all are daily candle. Okay. So after looking at the bearish signal, if you want to take a short position, right, you can buy only when shooting star low breaks. Low breaks here, you can take a short position with the stop loss of this. As simple as this. And hold. And when you see any reversal kind of thing, book profit. Okay. Second pattern is hanging man, right? Hanging man also a bearish reversal signature. Hanging man also made on the top side. Means market go upside, and whenever you see this kind of hanging man pattern, right? It's a sign of bearishness means market may go down from here, right? It could be green or red. Again, I'm saying it could be green or red candle, no issue. Okay, but whenever you see this kind of hanging man pattern on a top side, that means market may reverse now, right? See, market go upside and proper hanging man made. Now the reversal signature start. But when you buy now, whenever hanging man low breaks, you can take a short position with the stop loss of hanging man high, right? Hanging man, whatever the hanging man high is there, you can make a stop loss and you can hold the position for few days and book profit whenever you comfortable. And whenever you see any kind of reversal, you can book profit. But hanging man and shooting star are bearish reversal signature, right? Shooting star is this, hanging man look like this. Both are made on a top side. Okay, both made on a top. How can we understand top? Market goes out upside and you see the signature. That is means top has made. Okay, now we'll see bullish reversal pattern when we buy a stock, right? For long, right? Till now we are seeing short side. Now we'll see when we'll take a buy position or long position. This candle means hammer. This is look like hanging man, right? Hanging man and hammer both look like same, but hanging man made on top and hammer made on bottom. Understood? Hammer always made on bottom. When market goes down and you see this kind of hammer uh, uh, on your daily candle on bottom side, that means may stock may go upside from here. But when we'll buy, only high will break. This can be green or red candle, no problem. See, market goes down, it's a proper hammer. But when we'll buy, whenever hammer, high will break. Right? What is the stop loss? The stop loss is this low. Okay, and hold till any reversal comes. Okay, inverted hammer. Now we'll talk about inverted hammer. Second bullish reversal pattern is inverted hammer. Inverted hammer looks like shooting star, right? See shooting star, but shooting star always made on top and hammer always made on bottom. It can be green, it can be red, no problem. But shooting inverted hammer always made on downside. Okay, see the pattern. Market goes down. We have seen inverted hammer, almost inverted hammer, right? But small to we can say, see shadow is small shadow is there, but it's almost a inverted hammer, right? But when we'll buy, whenever the inverted hammer high will break, we'll buy on that time, and what will be our stop loss? Inverted hammer low. That's it. We don't talk about other things, right? Because it will confuse you, right? It will confuse. There are a lot of things: price piercing pattern, dark cloud cover, right? Harami, Harami cross, morning star, evening star, lot of things. But don't be confused. Be specific. I always use very few things. Right? I never go in deep. I have less knowledge, but I have perfect knowledge. Right? I don't use more technical. I don't use more parameters because I don't want to confuse myself. Right? Whatever I know, I have perfectly understood what I learned, right? And I don't go any deep set. So I use only 4 5 parameters, right? This is what time frame. Again, you asking same question. It's a daily candle. Always look at the daily candle pattern. Don't you see if you're talking about 5 minutes candle example, you will see 100 we can see now you will see 100 we can say candlestick pattern on 5 minutes, right? So you'll get confused. So better use daily and candlestick pattern use. You can see we can tell that candlestick pattern fairly you can say use on daily candle only. Don't use on 1 hour or 15 minutes, right? Or 5 minutes. So now, which candlestick you prefer? So I prefer. I tell you what I prefer. I prefer doji. I prefer shooting star, hanging man, hammer, and inverted hammer. That's it. I don't prefer more than this. Okay. Two bullish pattern, inverted hammer and hammer. Two bearish pattern, hanging man, and shooting star. And one is doji. Right? Two bearish pattern, two bullish pattern. That's it. On daily candle. On daily candle. Okay. Any question on candlestick pattern? I know a lot of people know already, but still any question on candlestick pattern? See the news. India GDP grew 5.8% in last quarter. Annual GDP at 5-year low. See, news again come. Impact negative. So this all these you will go, right? The comedy people are doing. Yesterday. Okay. So now you understand, right? Candlestick pattern. Any question? I will try to stick to the 5 parameters you were mentoring. Of course, I also only see only 5 parameters. Don't go for anything else. Two bullish pattern, two bearish pattern. Bullish pattern is I think I have written down somewhere. What is he saying? Lost connection. My voice is okay, guys. I think his connection has lost. I don't know. Okay. I use only 5 parameters. Two bullish pattern, hammer, inverted hammer. Two bearish pattern. Which two bearish pattern? Hmm? Shooting star and hanging man. Right? And doji. Now, uh, 54. I think option will do it tomorrow only, but I'll tell you the strategy now. Okay. What happened to him? Okay. Now I'll tell you how we can easily earn 25 means minimum 20 to 30% in index. Right? And this is most important if you don't want to take any kind of what is okay, now I cannot do anything, right? His electricity has gone. Okay, don't worry. He will see the recording, no issue. Now, if you want to do simple and very simple trade, don't want to take a single risky trades, you will get risky trade. But if you want to earn simple, you can say very less risky trades, don't want to do in stocks and all the things, and want to earn good amount of money, I prefer you to do index trading, right? Why I'm saying this because you will not lose more money, right? If you are doing index trading, BTST or STBT or long doing any long trade, at least you lose little bit less money if you compare to stocks, right? Because the lot size is very high. Okay, I will try to the five parameters you are not facing problem with your voice. My voice is okay. Again, someone saying that Nihal saying that voice is my voice is okay now. Yes, everyone is okay. Okay, now cutting in and out. Okay, now first I'll tell you about Nifty. Okay. Oh shit. No, no, no. I have started. No issue. I thought I forgot recording. It's working. Okay. So let's talk about Nifty now. Okay. What is the lot size of Nifty? It's 75, right? And how many days in a month? We have around 22 days. So we'll take only 20 days. Okay. Carefully listen now. We have 20 days, right? What do you feel? What do you think that what is average gap up and gap down of Nifty? Everyone answer now. I want answer from everyone. We have 12, 13 people. Two, three people just go outside. How many points gap up and gap down of Nifty? Either positive, either negative, no problem. How many points of gap up and gap down of Nifty every day? Average. I'm saying average. What is average? Sometimes Nifty will open 200 point gap up, sometime 200 point gap down, sometime 10 point, sometime 5 point, 2 point. What is average gap up and gap down of Nifty? Average, I'm saying. 20 to 30, 20 to 40, 20, 30, 20, 30, 20, 50, 30, 40, 20 to 50, 20 to 30. Okay, everyone. 30, 25. Okay. So answer is almost 20 to 30, 20, 40, 20, 50. Someone said 50. Okay. So average gap up and gap up down is 30 points, right? So how we can understand, how we can make a profit from our gap up and gap down, right? How much capital required for one lot, it's around 85k, right? 85,000 capital required for one lot, right? For Nifty, if you're doing Nifty, BTS, or STBT, example 1 lakh rupees, okay? 1 lakh rupees required for Nifty BTST. And when we take BTST, 325 to 329, example, right? And exit around 9:15 to 9:17 within 2 minutes, within 2 minutes, okay? Average 30 points means how much? 30 point into 75, 30 into 75, around 20 to 50, right? 20 to 50 is your profit or loss, right? So after technical, after you know everything, after you know global market, if you know option chain, if you know open interest, if you know technicals, if you know heavyweight stocks, right? Everything after taking all the decisions, after checking all the concepts. See, global market weightage is 50%, option chain weightage is 30%, technical level, technical setup, right? 10% heavyweight stocks, 10%. OI is here also, option chain and OI, right? 30%. We can say 35%, but we'll take 30% only. Or we'll do one thing, we'll do 40 here and 40 here. Okay. Global market 40%, option chain and open interest 40%, technical level 10%, heavyweight stock 10%. Heavyweight stock, how many heavyweight stock we have? This, right? This 10 heavyweight stocks Nifty. Then technical setup I will tell you tomorrow. Option chain I will tell you tomorrow, but open interest you understand 40% weightage. Global market you know, right? 40%. After looking all this data, if you think that tomorrow, now you everyone told that tomorrow will be down opening, right? So we have taken one future lot STVT, right? Sell today, buy tomorrow. What is your expectation? Just 30 points. Only 30 points. I personally feel that we can easily get 80% of accuracy. How many days we have? Minimum I'm saying 80%. Example 20 days you have 80% means how much? 16 days, right? But we take only 75% accuracy. Again lower side. Out of 20 days, 75% accuracy means 15 days if you are profitable, 30 point, 33,000. 5 days you lose 30 point. Again you lose 11,250 minus. If you're comparing this, you will get 22,500. For one lot you require 85. How much percent you are getting? 26% with only 75% accuracy. We have 92% of accuracy till date. Everyone knows, right? We have 92% of accuracy in index, right? Because we take a trade only when we know everything, right? And we just assuming 30 points. Sometimes we get 40 point, 50 point, sometimes we get 80 point, right? Understood? So overall we are assuming only 30 point, right? And assuming only 75% accuracy, still we are earning 26% on investment. Example, you have 1 lakh rupees and you are earning 22%, 22,000, right? So what my psychology says now, right? If you're comparing 12 months with only same thing you are doing whole year you are doing STBT or BTST in index only with only one lot, how many percent you will get? 300% return. If I'm saying 300% return, we can easily get in Nifty. No one will come to my training, right? No one will come to my training. Now, if you're doing same thing for a whole year, you will definitely get 300% return. I'm saying minimum 300%. Hedged Nifty is up by 58 point now, so maybe positive opening. Hedged Nifty. Nifty. Hedged Nifty we cannot see right now. We'll see Hedged Nifty tomorrow morning at 7:30, right? How we can see Hedged Nifty now? Hedged Nifty. 7 point. But it's late data. We'll get accurate data tomorrow morning, Monday morning, right? Because it's a weekend now, right, Mahesh? Right? So Monday the Nifty will open down, looking at global market. Of course, Monday will open gap down because everything is looking down, and negative news also come, right? GDP data, right? Global market was completely bearish yesterday, right? Where was me? Uh, 85K, and if you're doing same thing for whole year, right? 12 months, if you're doing same thing with same only 75% accuracy, still you are getting 300%. But don't increase your lots. And again, my psychology, see, psychology, what again I'm using psychology. People know me why? Because I am using only psychological thing. Everyone knows technicals, but we know psychology of market. What is our psychology said? If I have 1 lakh rupees, right? If you have only 1 lakh rupee and you are doing same thing BTST and STBT with only one lot in Nifty, and you are getting 22K, example. Whenever you see 1,10,000 account, in your account, if you have 10,000 profit, withdraw 10,000 and put this 10,000 in your family account, your wife's account, husband account, right? Don't put in your personal account because you can easily pay in again, right? You must have seen my past data as well. I have stopped this thing previously. I have deleted. Whenever I am making profits, I quickly withdraw. I withdraw because I don't want to put my money in my demat account. Because if I have more money in my account, I don't have control of myself. Right? I don't have control uh, on my loss. If I have more money, where is this? I think I have deleted. You must have seen some. If you know these things, I was running one series where, see, I have started with just 40,000 capital. Every day, whenever I'm making money, I'm payout. I'm going to payout. See, 40,000 payout, 15,000, 14,000 payout, 8,800. 7,500 payout, 27,025 payout, 32,000, 30,000 payout, 11,000, 10,000 payout. Last day I have 2,600 I have lost. And every time I'll show my profits. Whatever, see the loss. Whenever I am doing, I am showing my profits. Why? Because people have to understand the concept. If you have more money in your account, you will do more lots, right? You will do more lots. And whenever you are making money, if you have 1 lakh rupees in your account, quickly withdraw 10,000 rupees. If you're making 1,1000, if you're making 10,000 rupees profit, withdraw 10,000 and put your family account. Show your wife, show your husband every day. This is my today's M to M, right? This is my today's M to M, which is profitable or negative, because your family also knows that what you are doing, right? If your family have confidence that and he is doing good, right? He is doing everything you are showing to your family. If your wife is there or your husband is there, right? You are putting the money and don't put money in your family own account, right? Because you can quickly pay him. I never do this kind of mistake because whenever I withdraw, I again withdraw from my bank account to my I fund transfer to my wife's account. Why? Because this is my uh, family expense, right? My trading is my home expenses come from my trading, so I have to withdraw whenever I am making profit. Last batch when I was taking, I think 15, 20 last month, some guys was asking me, sir, we have never yet withdraw money. We know only paying. We never use payout option, right? We never use payout option. I hardly pay. I never pay. Personally, I'm saying I'm 99% I only do withdraw. Whatever I'm getting, I'm withdrawing money. Right? And you have to make this habit of withdrawing money. You have to make this of withdrawing money. See, this is the habit of withdrawing money every day. Every day we have to make a habit of withdrawing money. Whenever you are making profit, withdraw money. Whenever you are making any profit, or else you can do one thing. Whenever you are making 10,000 rupees profit, withdraw 10,000 and put only 1 lakh in your account because you require 85 capital and 15,000 backup should be there, right? Backup amount should be there because if you lose money, how much you are losing maximum? 20 to 50. If by chance you lose 3 days continuously or you lose 7 8,000, still you can able to buy one lot. That's why backup amount should be there. At least hold 1 lakh rupees in your account. Okay. And whenever your account will be more than 1 lakh 10,000, withdraw this and put it. Or you can do one thing. You can open new account and put your profit in this account. Every time payout, put this in your family account. Put this your other account, right? Because you cannot pay in again, right? You cannot pay in again and never pay in. Do only this. Again, I'm saying do only this. Don't need to do anything else. People have too many knowledge of market, still they are in loss. Still they are in loss because they don't want to stick with anyone. We have a batch of NIFTY specialists. Why I am using this word NIFTY specialist? Because we have some members they don't trade other than NIFTY or index, right? NIFTY or Bank Nifty. How my voice is audible, guys? Yes. Who never pay out the money out of his account? We. Okay. See, that's what I'm saying. We have to make a habit. See, I can see if my example. See, I give my example only. If my wife doesn't have confidence on me, how she can give me the authority to quit my job, right? She have confidence on me that I'm making money, right? I'm showing her that every month on month, every year on year, my profit, daily profit or monthly profit or positional profit, monthly P&L statement, quarterly P&L statement, yearly P&L statement. After making consistent money, after working 10 years in the industry, corporate world, finally I have decided. Why? Because I sleep only for 4.5 hours from last almost 9 years, right? Because I was working on night shift and I compulsory asked my company that I'll only work on night shift. Otherwise, I'll go somewhere else, right? My family or my wife knows that I was working in night shift and everything, right? Finally, she asked me that do other than if you want to work, you can work only, otherwise do stock market only. Finally, see, no one give you any kind of see. If anyone tell you, no one will be in the market who is full-time trader, right? It's risky, right? Because if you know that you can easily earn whatever you are earning in your company, right? If your salary is 1 lakh rupees and you can easily earn 1 lakh rupees from stock market every month, you have that much of capital, right? Or someone have only 20, 30,000 rupees of salary and he can easily earn 30, 40,000 rupees consistent every month on month basis. And at least I'm saying you should have 2 years of consistent profitable record. Then only quit your job. Right? We have two members who have already quitted the job because they are consistently making money from market, right? Whatever they are earning, they are making double, triple from their salary, right? So my motto, my personal opinion, you have to do only one thing. Stick with only one. If you want to stick with Nifty, you can. I'm betting you. I'm betting you. You can easily earn 20 to 30% every month. Every month, I'm saying. Don't go for BTST, don't go stocks, don't go for options, don't go for commodity. Someone going for forex, someone going for algo trading, right? Someone going for options trading, someone is doing hedging, someone doing positional trading, right? I'll give you one simple small example. Till 10th, we have all subject, right? After that, what we'll do, we'll take the arts, commerce, science, right? After that, what we'll do, we'll specialize the thing, right? BSc, BCom, right? Again, what we do PhD on one thing, right? Post graduation. Someone is doing technical, IT industry, pharma industry, marketing, finance, stock market, whatever, right? You have to be specialist in only one thing, right? If you are doing positional, if you are doing Nifty, Bank Nifty, options, futures, positional trading, commodity trading, don't do this kind of thing. Be specialist in only one, right? I want to do only index. Radhika ma'am, you can easily do, and you have to give only 15 to 20 minutes for this kind of thinking, right? You don't need to invest your full day for Nifty position. Well, how much time you will require? Only 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Example 3:15 to 3:30 and morning 10 minutes max. Right? How much time is there? Max to max 20 minutes. 3:15 example. You have to start from 3:15, right? 3:15 to 3:30. Market close, market open, 2 minutes. That's it. And you are getting 26%. Do you really think this is fair, guys? Your emotion is less, right? Usually, what we do, see, impulsive. We get impulsive in intraday, right? Our emotion go up, down, up, down. Don't need to do this kind of thing. Do it this way. Do it this way, right? Same thing we can do it in Bank Nifty now. What is what is the lot size of Bank Nifty? 20, right? Nifty have 75 lot, right? Bank Nifty have 20 point. What is the average gap up and gap down? Now, everyone again, tell me what is the average gap up and gap down of Bank Nifty? Tell me. Average gap up and gap down. Sometimes Bank Nifty up, too many point up, too many point down, right? But what do you think? What is the average gap up and gap down of Bank Nifty, right? Everyone. If you want, I'll show you how we can calculate. Still, I want answer from you. 100 to 150 points, 50 points, 100 points, 100 points, 100 to 130, 100 to 150. Never force before, never focused before. Means what? Uh, Never focused. Okay, you never focus on bank. Okay, no issue. 100 points. Okay. So average 100 points, right? Bank Nifty average gap up and gap down is 100 points. Sometimes Bank Nifty open around 200 points, 300 points. Sometimes open minus 200 point, 100 point. Sometimes 50 point only, right? But average I am saying it's 100, right? 100 points means 200 rupees. Sorry, 2000 rupees. 20 lot size, right? And how much capital required for one lot? Bank Nifty, how much capital required for one lot? 65K for one lot, right? 65,000 rupees for one lot. Bank Nifty. Like Nifty we required 85,000, Bank Nifty we required 65,000, right? If you compare same thing, 20 days, 50 days profitable, 30,000, 5 days loss, 10,000, average you are getting 20,000. If you compare these things, 30%, 26 to 30%, again same, right? Again same, you are getting 26 to 30% in Bank Nifty as well, right? And how many stock you have to see? Only, how many stock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Radical Gandhi, right answer. Only 5 stock. How many? What is the weightage? 85% of weightage. Compare only 5 stocks. Compare global market. Compare option chain. I'll explain option chain tomorrow. Compare OI. What is OI? How we have check OI? Tell me. Now you tell me. How we have check OI? See OI. Long unwinding. Right? We have check OI. Will check. We'll go to option chain tomorrow. But how many parameters we are looking out for wishlist and activity only for index? Global market 40% weightage. Again, I'm saying I was decreasing from 50 to 40 because we are combining option chain and open interest both 40%. Technical level I will teach you tomorrow, that is 10% weightage, and heavyweight stock 10%. That's it. That's it. Nothing else, right? Still you can easily get 20 to 30% of return. We are comparing only 75% accuracy. Only our accuracy is 92%, right? 100% we cannot be perfect. Sometimes uh, we anything can happen, right? Anything can happen in a night, right? If everything is perfect, Trump said something in the night, tomorrow market goes down, right? It may happen anything, right? So you can do Nifty or Bank Nifty. Now it's up to you what you want to do, right? Both are on same page. You can earn same amount of money in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But for Nifty, you have to check 10 stock at least, and for Bank Nifty, you have to check only 5 stock. For Nifty, you require minimum 1 lakh, and for Bank Nifty, you require at least 75 to 80,000 rupees. Backup amount should be there, right? And same thing, same criteria again. Whenever you make 10,000, withdraw 10,000 or 5,000, whatever you want, right? Do you really think this is hard, tough to make money from market? I never feel that in Nifty we cannot make money. You can easily make good amount of money, very nice amount of money, no risk at all. Stop. See, no one can manipulate Nifty, right? No one can manipulate Nifty, but one can easily manipulate. We can say stock, any kind of stock, right? What happened? One can easily manipulate stock, any stock, right? And no one can easily move Nifty or Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty can easily move, but we are not doing intraday trading. We are doing at last and booking in the morning only. That's it. 2 minutes here and 2 minutes here. But for research, at least you will take 15 minutes here and 2 minutes here. That's it. How much time you are taking? Max to max 20 minutes. Right? You can do your work as well. If you're a government servant or if you are working on day shift, make a time of 15 minutes, 3:15 to 3:20, 3:30, and in the morning take 2 minutes of time and close your position and go to office. That's it. And take a break around 3:15 and do some 10, 15-minute research, 30-minute research, and take a trade around last 2 minutes. That's it. It's a simple thing, right? And for this, you have to quickly look at global market, quickly look at option chain, open interest, everything you know, right? How to check global market, how to check open interest, option chain, and technical levels. I'll teach you tomorrow because option. If I'm taking option tomorrow or today, it will take too much of time because tomorrow is completely options, option Greeks, option chain, when we are buying option, when we are taking calls and put, right, everything will take tomorrow because it will take too much of time, right? But till now, whatever we have learned, any single question, anything, whatever, if you want to clarify again one thing, any questions, till now whatever we have learned, any single questions, any topic, right? And do please install money control, investing application, stockage application, and concept. You already installed concept, right? Do install stockage because stockage, how we can select stock, it will take tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we'll see stockage, how we can select the stock, right? For positional view, right? For positional view, how we can select stock, how we can see technicals, right? One, two, three, four. Application, please download it. Any question till now, we have learned market psychology, right? We have learned candlestick, we have learned open interest, uh, right? We have learned global market, we have learned futures, right? We have learned. So, do we also have strategy to select stock for intraday? We have already told you, right? We have already told you that you can see. Where it is? You can take a stock from here for intraday. If you are taking buy call, stock open interest should at least minimum 5% and stock should be below 2%, right? Below 2% and open interest is slowly increasing. But market should be positive, right? Market should be positive. If market is negative, take a short call. Got it? It's a quick time stock selection. It's a quick stock selection, and you may see these stocks in your you can say new channel as well, because they also searching stock from open interest. If open interest is increasing, they're quickly uh, take what can you say giving calls in their new channel like CNBC Hour, CNBC TV 18, right? G business. So for the OI criteria for Nifty, what is the optimum price and OI required at 327 for BTST or STBT? So for the open interest Nifty should OI STBT or BTST. There is no criteria for Nifty price and OI, but OI should be, see, OI should be at least minimum 4%, 3 to 4%. Right? OI should be minimum because we cannot expect Nifty should be more than 1%, 2%, right? 1% is too much high, right? There is no criteria. Now I'll tell you, I think, see, on day before yesterday, we have taken this option. We have given this option on our members 12,000 call around 66. See, I have also taken and we have hold it for tomorrow. Why we have given this? Because of this. See, Nifty and Bank Nifty, COI. Understood now, everyone? Guys, no voice from last 1 minute. No voice from last 1 minute. Amit Khanapure. आता येतोय? Now voice is okay. Now voice is okay. Now is okay. Okay. So we have given. See why we have given this entry day before yesterday. We have given this entry day before yesterday. Why we have given this entry? The reason is this Nifty and Bank Nifty OI. Look at the percentage. 39%, 43%, right? That's why we have given this, right? 39%. I have posted in our channel as well, right? And in the morning, we have booked the profit. See, in the morning, I have booked the profit, right? Understood. We have clearly given in our channel as well. I have previously, I think, see, I have given this, and I have shown combined open interest, and again then I have shown only June open interest. See June open interest. Understood? Shall we subscribe for Money Tree Pro? I mean, should we pay for it or free version? Is it okay? Money Tree Robo Pro. See, this is Money Tree Robo Pro. Money Tree Robo Pro. It's also good app. It's a good app. Don't subscribe for anyone. Don't subscribe for anyone. But Money Tree Robo Pro, you can find out good stocks. Like you must have seen good hammer pattern, 200 SMA stock, 50 SMA stock, right? This is for stock selection only. Money Tree Robo Pro is good for stock selection, right? I personally don't use, right? I personally don't use because you will get too many stocks, too many parameters are there, hammer pattern, hanging man, right? 200 SMA stock, 50 SMA, 250 SMA crossing 200 SMA, like this kind of stocks. Okay. Uh, we are almost done, right? 10 tickets. Okay. Now everything. Can you repeat minimum max percentage criteria for Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty and Bank Nifty percentage criteria. For Nifty and Bank Nifty percentage criteria, there is no criteria for price. There is no criteria for price, but there is a criteria for open interest. Open interest should be minimum I think 3 to 4%, minimum 3 to 4%. No, 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 no. Yogesh, 5% is for stock. 5% is only for stock, but minimum 2 to 3% for index. Minimum 2 to 3% for index. If you're taking BTST or STBT, take accordingly. But no criteria for price, but criteria for open interest is minimum 2 to 3%. Okay. And for stock, minimum criteria for open interest is 5%. Got it? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? Till now, whatever we have learned. If plus 4% BTST and minus 4% then STBT. I tell you. 3% or 2%, 3% or 4%, right? For Nifty, right. Nifty and Bank Nifty, yes, correct. For Nifty and Bank Nifty, plus 3% or minus 3%, 3 to 4%, okay. Plus 3 for BTST and minus 3 to 4% for STBT, right? Understood everyone now? Any doubts, please ask. Any explanation? Because we are about to close today, because tomorrow we have to learn more, right? Because option is too vast. One question, okay. Please ask. We have more time. See, we have 20 minutes of time. You can ask questions. Don't worry. In future stock, we have L, LU, S, and SC. Absolutely right. See, this is L means long, LU means long unwinding, S means short, SC means short covering. Do we have same thing in index? Absolutely. See what index showing LU, right? LU means long unwinding. LU means long unwinding, right? Got it? Amit Khanapuri, Dada? LU means long unwinding. Same thing. Yes, yes. Okay. We'll get to know. See, S means short, L means long, LU means long unwinding. Okay. If O is minus 3% and price is 0.5%, then STBT is the truth. Now you only tell me. Now you only tell me. If O is minus, O is negative and price is positive. O is negative and price is positive. What is meant by this? Vijay Bandawar. Then STBT is it true? It's wrong. Vijay, it's wrong. If price is positive, O is negative, means short covering. It's a sign of bullishness, right? Got it, Vijay? If O, yes. Okay. For for the BTST or STBT study of Nifty, what are the parameters to study in the top 10 companies of Nifty? Same thing. Same thing. See, if you're looking for BTST and STBT and you're looking out for top 10 companies, the top 10 companies should be positive. Out of 10, at least 7 should be positive, right? 7 should be positive and close positive, right? And top 5 should be positive only. Top 5 or top 3, right? Should be positive. Bhattacharya, right? Understood? Parameters is only they should be positive. Yes. Sir, you mentioned only COI positive for long or short. If short covering is happening, should we stay away? Good question. Who is it? Yogesh. Nice question. Now, now, you tell me. Where is Yogesh? Offline. OI positive or negative. But if short covering or long unwinding is there, we should stay away. Why not? You can trade. You can trade, but you can trade only for intraday. You can only see we take long position or we take short position, right? When we take long position, what we do after this? We book profits or we book loss, right? Right? My voice is there, sir. You seems to be offline. Now you online, right? Yogesh, voice is okay now? Quickly response. Your question is very nice, Yogesh. If market is showing short covering or market is showing profit booking, do we trade on that time? Of course, you have to trade, but you have to look for only intraday perspectives. Understood? If short covering is going on, right? Short covering means what? Too many people have already shorted position. Now they are short covering means they are booking, they are buying, right? Whatever they are shorted, they are buying. Means they are covering, right? What they are covering, they are short covering. Means market absolutely go quickly go upside, right? That's what you heard the term. We heard the word in our news channel that we may see good short covering now. What is meant by short covering? Whoever have already taken shots, they are covering now. Okay. So we also make money on short covering. We can take a buy call, right? It's a bullish sign for intraday perspective only. Okay, got it. Good. Long, no make money, especially in Bank Nifty. No make money, especially in Bank Nifty. Radhika, what do you mean by this? No make money. I was talking about short covering. Okay, okay. You're talking about short covering. Concept future builder. I am unable to change LU to L. I am unable to change LU to L. How you can not have possible? See, here you can put, see, here you can hold, you go for long, you go for short, you go for LU, you go for SC. That's it. Here, no, here you cannot change. Here you cannot change. Whatever is the same, it shows the end. This is the end data. Now market is closed. If you want to see short side stocks, long side stock, use long, short, right? Long unwinding or short covering. Here you can also see long unwinding, short covering. If you want to see long unwinding, I will show you. Wait. Long unwinding stocks. Then short covering stocks. See, this is long unwinding, right? You can go long unwinding. You can go in short covering. See, Volta's short covering, right? You can see long unwinding stocks. I can change it for stock with not index. Index you cannot change. Index it's already showing, right? For stock you cannot change. For index you cannot change. Index you cannot change. It's automatic because we have only two index, right? That's why two index is here only. LU or both are in LU means long unwinding, right? Sometimes you may see, sometimes I will tell you because I usually put in groups. Let's see if there is any images. See on that day L is there. L means long, right? See this is L again. L means long. Now what is this showing? Now it's showing LU. LU means long unwinding. Okay. I can change it. Okay. Any questions? No problem, Nihal. You can come. Any questions? Any doubts? Because we are about to close because tomorrow we have to learn too many things. Tomorrow we have to see options, Nifty oil tracking. You can check Nifty oil tracking as well. You always check option breaks. How many requirement for option for stocks or index? How many investment should be there? We'll explain everything tomorrow. But any questions till now? Whatever we have learned, psychology, Nifty, Bank Nifty, whatever we have learned. Will tomorrow we have to cover FI hedging as well. I'll explain you the best strategy. No one will teach you in whole. You can say no one will give you this strategy, right? Because it's very. I can say if you give a 1 lakh rupees also fee, no one will tell you this strategy, right? I'll tell you. Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll get. Where will get the notes? I will tomorrow 4 o'clock. Say 4 o'clock. I'll post everyone, right? On your Telegram only I'll post. Don't worry. Any doubts? Any questions? Uh, okay. Is it going good? Training is going good because still we haven't go for any technical kind of thing yet. Great luck. Okay. Tomorrow we'll get a full advanced training. Today is just a part. We have learned only 5%. 95% is tomorrow. Technical terms I'm telling you about technical terms. Today we teach about psychological point, right? Tomorrow we'll see technical terms and we'll see in depth. Tomorrow don't do too much food because you will get to scratch your head tomorrow. Great learning, absolutely fantastic. Yes, sir. Thank you. Because see, tomorrow we'll see option chain first. At start we'll go with option chain and after this we'll go with option Greeks or else we can do one thing. We'll go option chain and we'll go with FI strategy first. Then we'll take a break tomorrow because it take a time tomorrow. And after break we'll take a option Greek. Tomorrow again on the same time, 11 o'clock, everyone, same time, 11 to 4. Yes. Then we'll see some part of option Greeks will cover tomorrow afternoon, right? Option chain takes too much time. Because if you understand now, if you understand future concept, an option is very easy for you. It's a very easy option. See, option chain is the most important thing for intraday traders, right? We are on 92% because we only and only you can ask our batchmates, your batchmates, everyone that we only and only use option chain and global market. We don't use technical setup. Frankly, I'm saying, frankly, I'm telling you, and we make hell amount of money on only and only Nifty and Bank Nifty. But usually 90, 80% or 95%, let's say 90% on Nifty only. We hardly use stocks. We hardly use stocks because we one person cannot do everything, right? Stock selection, stock technical, everything, right? I'm alone, right? I do alone trading. I do everything alone. So I usually concentrate on Nifty only. That's why our accuracy is very nice, right? Our accuracy on Nifty is very nice. If you are making good amount of money in Nifty, why go to any other stocks and risky trades, right? Good to do intraday only, Nifty only, right? So any questions? Good learning, great. Some new things come to know. Okay, tomorrow we'll learn more than this, right? Because tomorrow is completely see options and option chain, option data, option Greeks is also most important thing, right? If you know options very well, you must have seen I usually make money on options only, right? I make money on options only. Maximum time I make money on options, right? See, our member made for 69,000 yesterday on only and only options. How many lots here? Only 450 quantity. See, only 450 quantity here, and you have made 69,000 rupees. Yesterday market was good, right? Hardly will you see options, see options, one future, see option 72 call, option, right? Options, future. This is the loss of election result day. Everyone got good loss. We sometimes we got stuck. See, our strategy got completely failed. We we expect more from market. We never expect market may do something extraordinary for us, right? Market have already given good amount of loss, but we already have make a good amount of profit day before on this day, right? See the profit. All options, only one future. All options. See maximum options because we know we are taking option. Why I'm showing this? Because we know support and resistance, right? Whenever you see a perfect support is there, whenever you see a perfect support is there, you can buy call. If you know perfect resistance is there, buy puts. As simple as that, right? That's why yesterday too many people have taken puts. Right? When Nifty break 11,980, right? And global market was also negative. Okay. So any question, any doubts? So you'll be getting the calls which are trading. Still you require calls. I usually post in our channel, our group. See, here are a lot of members. They already see they already put calls. They use before taking this position. This member have already given. Uh, mm, See, we may see correction in second half. Buy puts with strict stop loss. At what time? 11:39. Buy puts. And the person who have posted have made how many money? 69,000. This person have booked profit quickly, but at least he have made in quick time. In 5 minutes he have made 4,000. But the call went to 968. It's a bank nifty put. Sorry. It's a bank nifty put and it went to 968. Got it? And too many members are putting calls, right? There are too many members who put calls, stocks, right? But I usually explain whenever I'm buying any call and put, and no one is here who asks me for calls, right? Uh, in our members whoever have uh, who means how many? I think 65 members who have done training from us. They never ask me for any calls because they know proper support, proper resistance, proper stock, which stock to buy, when to buy, right? Still, I am giving calls. We have you already have it's your group now. It's a positional intraday members group. It's a positional members group, right? Right? Positional member doesn't see intraday calls. They are also in groups, right? We have it's a personal channel where I only put whatever stock I have given, why I have given buy call, right? It's a position you may understand tomorrow, right? I usually put screenshot why I have given any call, right? And it's our Telegram channel. It's a common member group for everyone, right? It's a group for everyone. Now see, Jogesh have put something. It's a bracket order calculator, something you have put it. Hello guys, how much zero line upstock will charge for one nifty future what? Okay, so he have posted something, right? It's a common group for everyone, right? Whoever you also guys are in this group, right? Everyone. Is everyone in these groups intraday, trade members and trade wizard? Everyone in this group, right? Or still anyone missing? Because I add everyone, right? I have added everyone. Okay. Any questions? We have already about to close now. Okay. So tomorrow we'll join around 11 o'clock morning sharp, and we'll start with option chain, then some FI strategies, how to pick them, right? Then we'll take a break. So any voice improvement. पटेल भाई क्या बोल रहे हो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है any voice improvement not getting. Okay, so after break we'll take option Greeks tomorrow, right? And we'll see how we can understand technical setup, right? Please call me after this session, sir. Deepak Kumar. Okay. So we'll wrap for the day now, and we will start tomorrow morning. Okay. Please join sharp tomorrow around 11 o'clock. Okay. So hope everyone enjoyed today's training. We'll start tomorrow morning again. Okay. Share then, guys. We'll wrap for the day. Okay. Ciao. Bye.